Hi there! Are you ready to take control of your health and unlock the amazing benefits of the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet can be truly transformative, but there are some common mistakes that can sabotage your success. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 3 carnivore diet mistakes and how to avoid them, so you can thrive on this way of eating. One of the biggest mistakes people make on the carnivore diet is going cold turkey. You're switching from a diet full of carbs and sugars to a purely meat-based approach. That's a big change for your body. Instead of going all in overnight, I recommend a gradual transition period. This gives your body time to adapt, minimizing potential digestive discomfort and those pesky cravings. Start by slowly reducing your carbohydrate intake while increasing your meat consumption over a few weeks. This not only helps your digestive system get used to the higher protein and fat content, but also sets you up for long-term success. Let's talk about electrolytes. These are absolutely crucial, especially on a carnivore diet. When you reduce carbs, your body loses water, and electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This can lead to fatigue, muscle cramps, headaches, what's often called the keto flu. But don't worry, there's an easy fix. Make sure you're getting enough electrolytes by incorporating bone broth, mineral-rich salt, and water into your diet. You can even consider an electrolyte supplement. Just check the ingredients to make sure it's right for you. Remember, staying properly hydrated is also key on this diet. Beware of processed meats. While the carnivore diet emphasizes meat, not all meats are created equal. One of the biggest pitfalls is relying too heavily on processed meats, things like sausages and deli meats. While they may seem convenient, these processed options often contain added sugars, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that can actually hinder your progress. Instead, prioritize whole, unprocessed meats like steak, chicken, fish, and organ meats. These nutrient powerhouses are packed with protein, essential vitamins and minerals, and healthy fats, making them the foundation of a thriving carnivore lifestyle. Unlock your health potential. Remember, the key to thriving on this diet lies in understanding and avoiding these common pitfalls. So, take action today, prioritize nutrient variety, and enjoy the benefits of a well-rounded carnivore lifestyle. Your health transformation awaits, and with the right knowledge, you can achieve your goals and feel your best. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness advice. Check out the next video. Be well.